Boss 334 is easy to use, self-expanding, rapid curing with improved yield and performance. Tools needed for the application process. Clean the surface area. Moisten the surface for better adhesion, yield and cell structure. Shake the can for at least 20 seconds. Fit the foam can tightly onto the spray gun. Boss 334 gun grade PU foam is specially designed to install window and door frames application easier. Fill holes in cavities for 65% as the foam will expand. If you have to work in layers, repeat moistening after each layer. Different sizes of gun foam extrusion. Rotate the knob for different flow of extrusion. Different size nozzles help with targeted application. Longer nozzle helps to reach deeper gaps. Narrow nozzle helps to fill smaller gaps. Once finished using spray gun, clean gun thoroughly with Boss C33 cleaner. Gently remove Boss 334 off the gun. Spray Boss C33 cleaner on the gun to clean the excess. Insert cleaner on the gun and spray out the leftover foam from the gun. To store the foam for future use, clear the residues with gun cleaner for longevity. Various other areas of application.